joining us today is dysfunctional couple NaCl. Please join me in welcoming the cation Na+ and the anion Cl-. Alright, well, Na+ here claims that he doesn't feel a sense of fairness in his relationship with Cl-. Why is that, Na+?
Well, as you know, I have only one valence electron. I can only give so much, and I give everything I have selflessly. And all she ever does is take from me. She never cares for what I want. And she has 7 valence electrons as it is, but, you know, has to have that perfect octet, and apparently I'm not that good enough for her.
It's totally fair. I need to gain that electron, and you need to lose an electron. We both get octets, and we're both stable. I don't see what the problem is. We both became ions. Everything should be fine. And it's just our positive and negative charges hold us together now that I've taken your electron, but I guess you're too negative for this relationship.
If I may interrupt a moment here, I don't understand why you guys are arguing, because the removal of an electron from Na+ is endothermic, but the gaining of an electron for Cl- releases energy because it's exothermic, and so the bond you form is a strong bond because the overall energy is exothermic.
Are you saying that it's better energy for us to stay together than to break up?
Exactly.
Well,
I guess you're right.
But here's where I'm also confused. Well, NaCl as a solid forms a crystal or a lattice. And as a crystal, that means each sodium ion is surrounded by 6 chloride ions, and each chloride ion is surrounded by 6 sodium ions, meaning you've both been cheating on each other.
what?
We'll be back with covalent bonds after the break. Alright, so we've also invited onto the show a non-polar covalently bonded couple, Br2. Alright, so tell me about your relationship.
Well, according to the Pauling scale, we both have an electronegativity of 2.8. We make sure to share what we have evenly between us two, and unlike NaCl, neither one of us has complete ownership of the electrons that form our bond. We both need to have full octets, so the electrons spend just as much time with myself as it does with her. So we try to keep things even and equal.
Yeah, this makes us a non-polar bond because the change in our electronegativity is 0. Therefore, we have the same goals in life, such as obtaining the same electron configuration, and we get along really well.
I feel like we're the exact same person sometimes since we're so similar and we get each other really well. We both have 7 valence electrons and we both need 1 more electron to fill our octet. So we have a single bond between us, but it's a strong bond.
That's very precious. In the beginning of our show, we talked to dysfunctional ionic bond, NaCl, before speaking to this ideal couple here. Tune in next time where we examine bomb calorimetry.